Welcome back. This is Janet at Unique Raw Foods, and I'm going to walk you briefly. Let's see how quick we can do this through making a detox smoothie. This one has melon instead of kiwi. You can use kiwi. I'm using a canteloupe melon. It is going to have some lime juice in it. It has some cucumber. This is a smoothie. This one is having, are you ready? Come. Might as well do it. To the sink. I have came out of here. When you choose coconut, if you want to, and this is something I read and also experienced, picking the coconut when you listen to it shaking, that you don't really hear the sloshing around of the liquid, that it sounds pretty solid. So for this cleanse, if we work with the colon first and take out a little bit of heavy metal, then you know you can poop. And then the next couple things to work on then would be going through the kidneys with some kidney recipes, some kidney foods, Qi Gong, resting, and then into foods that help clarify the liver. That would be things like lemon. Could be lemon juice fast. This series I'm doing will end with 3 days of the lemon water cleanse, and it should suffice, and see if it takes care of some things that I am unusually dealing with. Don't get into too much stress. I find that has been the culprit with a lot of the things that are coming up with this body. So I can put in the information below where I found some of that information. It's logical. Unclog the pipes and clean everything else from the house, send it through the pipes, and your body can be very happy functioning. One of the best things a body can be doing is regularly eliminating what you're putting into it. Okay, let's get this rest of this smoothie done. I'm going to take off this and put in the chia seeds with some of the coconut water. Yeah, I put in the headphones. I do. I put the headphones in, even though you're not talking back with me. That would be nice. So I put about a good serving, usually with chia seeds, to go by is about a tablespoon. I think that is 15 milligrams when it gets weighed. These are black, and I'm going to let them settle into here. And with this one, I have added to my recipe some parsley. You could add some mint, something green. You could put in a little cilantro, more or less than this. So let's go. This is going into a blender with this, as it is a smoothie, and I'm going to start with cutting. Let's watch. 1 medium-sized canteloupe. This is a technique for if you have some skill and a sharp knife, not to go against the edge of the blender, but to go down through some of the bigger pieces in here. Keeps all the juice, lowers the amount of mess. We're getting in there as much as possible. And they go. Seeds for the garden, compost.
It's not so fresh. Keep them over your eyes.
That is going for juicing. I have to finish this up. This puts us with the chia, and the only thing that is not going in here right now is the aloe vera. This could be so beneficial. I just did the coconut water instead of making the time to be able to go out and get the aloe. This I can do separately. You can just take the inside of aloe and eat it. A ginger water already made. Ready? I want to come this way. That's for us. Okay, into here. There's the lime is going in. Lime cutting technique. I take the lime and cut in a little bit, just through the skin. Round. And this gets pushed like this. So it's flattened and we have juice. Okay, those interested in more raw food or unique recipes, this is not that unique. It is from, I will credit this person. I've had this recipe for maybe 8 years. This is again help clean your colon with the melon and the chia seeds and the coconut water. I hope you get to make something similar, and it is to serve as a meal while at the same time being cleansing and supporting at the same time. It's a very real thing to do. All right, thank you. See you soon.